For nearly half a century, Voyager 1 has traveled farther than any human-made object in history. Launched in 1977, long before smartphones, GPS, or even the Internet existed, the small spacecraft has continued its lonely voyage toward the stars, carrying humanity's curiosity into a region no spacecraft had ever explored. Today, it is more than 15 billion miles from Earth. At that unimaginable distance, even a simple radio message takes almost an entire day to travel one way. Every command sent from Earth is an act of patience, and every reply is a glimpse into one of the most mysterious regions surrounding our solar system. Then something unexpected happened. Late in 2023, Voyager 1 began sending signals that engineers could no longer understand. Instead of meaningful telemetry, the spacecraft transmitted garbled information that appeared almost random. For months, scientists feared the mission was finally coming to an end. After more than 40 years in the harsh environment of space, perhaps Voyager had reached its limit. But the spacecraft wasn't gone. Its radio transmitter was still operating, proving it was alive. The challenge was discovering why it could no longer communicate properly. Engineers at NASA carefully studied every bit of data arriving from billions of miles away. Eventually they identified the problem. A portion of Voyager's flight data system had stopped functioning correctly, preventing the spacecraft from organizing and sending readable information back to Earth. Repairing a spacecraft this far away might sound impossible. Every instruction required nearly 22 hours for a round trip between Earth and Voyager. There was no opportunity for quick adjustments or second attempts. Each command had to be planned with extraordinary care. Rather than replacing damaged hardware, engineers developed a creative solution. They instructed Voyager to move critical software into different sections of its onboard memory, allowing the spacecraft to bypass the damaged area entirely. It was a remarkable demonstration of engineering ingenuity. In April 2024, the effort succeeded. One by one, Voyager's scientific instruments began returning meaningful observations once again. For the first time in months, researchers could continue exploring the region beyond the Sun's protective influence. That region is known as interstellar space. Many people imagine it as an endless empty vacuum. In reality, it is anything but empty. Although incredibly thin, interstellar space contains gas, electrically charged particles, magnetic fields, and radiation left behind by countless generations of stars. Voyager entered this region after crossing the heliopause in 2012. The heliopause marks the outer edge of the heliosphere, the enormous bubble created by the constant flow of charged particles streaming outward from the Sun. Beyond that boundary, the influence of the wider galaxy becomes stronger than the solar wind itself. Crossing it represented one of humanity's greatest milestones in space exploration. Since then, Voyager has continued measuring conditions that no telescope can observe directly. Its instruments have detected subtle variations in plasma density, changes in magnetic fields, and streams of energetic particles moving through interstellar space. These measurements reveal that the environment beyond our solar system is surprisingly complex. Instead of remaining perfectly uniform, the interstellar medium changes from place to place. Particle densities rise and fall. Magnetic fields shift in strength and direction. Different regions appear to possess their own distinct physical characteristics. Scientists believe these variations may have been shaped by ancient stellar events, including supernova explosions that occurred millions of years ago. Those long-forgotten explosions sent shock waves racing across the galaxy, compressing gas and magnetic fields as they traveled. Even today, their effects may still influence the structure of the local interstellar environment. Voyager is helping researchers investigate these invisible structures for the first time. Each new measurement adds another piece to a puzzle that has taken decades to assemble. The spacecraft is no longer exploring planets. It is exploring the space between them. And with every signal that reaches Earth, Voyager reminds us that the greatest discoveries sometimes begin only after the familiar world has been left behind. As the spacecraft continues its silent journey into the darkness, scientists believe its next observations could reveal even more about the hidden environment that surrounds our entire solar system. As Voyager 1 continues its journey deeper into interstellar space, every transmission carries information from a place humanity has never visited before. No astronaut has traveled there, and no telescope can directly sample its environment. Voyager remains our only messenger exploring this distant frontier. One of the most important discoveries is that the space between stars is far more dynamic than scientists once imagined. Although incredibly empty by everyday standards, interstellar space is filled with an extremely thin mixture of gas, plasma, dust, magnetic fields, and high-energy particles moving through the galaxy. Voyager's instruments have detected changes in these conditions as it travels farther from the Sun. The density of charged particles is not perfectly uniform. Instead, it gradually changes from one region to another, suggesting that our local corner of the galaxy contains subtle structures shaped over millions of years. Another instrument continues measuring the magnetic field surrounding the spacecraft. These observations help researchers understand how our solar system interacts with the wider Milky Way. Rather than ending abruptly at the heliopause, the transition into interstellar space appears to involve a complex interaction between the Sun's magnetic influence and the magnetic environment of the galaxy itself. Every new measurement improves computer models describing how cosmic radiation travels through space. Those models are important because energetic particles can affect future spacecraft, astronauts, and even electronic systems traveling beyond Earth's protective magnetic field. Voyager is also helping scientists study the local interstellar cloud, a region of gas through which our solar system is currently moving. Although this cloud is incredibly diffuse, its properties influence the environment surrounding the heliosphere. Understanding these conditions allows astronomers to build a clearer picture of our place within the Milky Way. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of the mission is its longevity. The spacecraft was never designed to operate for nearly 50 years. Yet despite aging electronics and a power supply that slowly decreases each year, Voyager continues collecting valuable scientific data. Mission controllers carefully manage its remaining energy by turning off non-essential systems one at a time. Each decision extends the mission a little longer, allowing one more experiment to continue operating. Every additional month is a scientific victory. The information Voyager returns cannot currently be collected by any other spacecraft. Future interstellar missions are still decades away. Until then, Voyager remains humanity's only direct observer beyond the heliosphere. Its discoveries are already changing how scientists think about the boundary surrounding our solar system. Rather than acting as a simple dividing line, that boundary is now understood to be part of a much more complicated interaction between solar activity and the interstellar medium. The spacecraft is also helping researchers improve their understanding of cosmic rays, high-energy particles that travel across enormous distances after being accelerated by powerful events such as supernova explosions. Studying how these particles behave near and beyond the heliosphere may eventually help scientists better understand the environments surrounding other stars as well. In many ways, Voyager has become more than a spacecraft. It is a time capsule from the beginning of the space age, still carrying out its mission long after most people believed its journey would end. Attached to its side is the famous Golden Record, a collection of sounds, music, greetings, and images created to represent life on Earth. Whether another civilization ever finds it is unknown. But the record symbolizes something larger than the mission itself. It represents humanity's desire to explore, to communicate, and to leave a small trace of our existence among the stars. With each passing year, Voyager moves farther into the darkness. Its signals grow weaker. Its power slowly fades. Eventually, one day, the spacecraft will fall permanently silent. Yet even after that final transmission, its journey will continue. For millions of years, Voyager will drift through the Milky Way, carrying a message from a small blue planet that once looked toward the night sky and decided to send a tiny explorer into the unknown. And perhaps that is Voyager's greatest achievement. Not simply the scientific discoveries it has made, but the reminder that every great journey begins with a single question, and the courage to follow it farther than anyone has gone before.